Now here's how you can use filters on the iPad camera. Let's get started. So if you use the built-in camera app, you can get inside and you'll notice that we do not have the options for filters just as we have it on the iPhone. On iPhone, you can swipe and get there and you'll be able to just apply the filters. On the iPad, we don't have it, but it doesn't really mean it's too bad or that it doesn't work because we can capture the regular photos like that. And then if I go to the Photos application, I can click on the edit button right there and apply the filters later on. I know it is a little bit, one step added, one more step that we need to go through, but you can apply the very same filters that are also part of the iPhone's camera. Because on the iPhone's camera, we have them like the original, we have the vivid, we have the vivid warm, and it's the same thing that it is part of the camera, but then you can add it later in the actual photo editing process. So that's kind of how it works. Even though it's not inside of the camera directly, you can add it later, right? But if you really care about applying filters right away, I would just recommend you to get a third-party app. Even a social media like Snapchat has an app for the iPad where you can look for so many filters and so many cool effects to capture your photos and videos. So I would just recommend you to get that if you really care about it. But that's going to be about it from me. I honestly hope that I could help you. Most definitely hit the thumbs up and subscribe if it worked. And I'll see you later in the next tutorials.